Hello everyone. In the previous video, in the previous slide, we have seen about keywords, different types of keywords, and different types of search engines, being Google being the major search engines almost everywhere in the world. Now, up till what we have seen, everything is just to support, to help us understand better what is SEO and the importance of SEO in the upcoming business, online business. Now, let's really get into what exactly is SEO and what are the techniques of SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now we have seen what is search engine. It's nothing but it's a computer program that basically uh, indexes all the available websites in the world, which means nothing but it's kind of it scans and it stores all the available information and it stores in its database, and whenever any query comes, any search query comes, it matches the most relevant results and give back to the user. That is the function of search engine. Now, search engine optimization is the process of improving the rankings. Okay, that is it is talking about your website. First is it is to improve the rankings, and then followed by volume and quality of your traffic from search engines via organic search results. As we have seen, what is organic search results? That is ranking your website just by the degree of your quality and your how to say importance of your website. That is not by paying anything to Google or any other search engine. Now, there are different techniques involved in optimizing your website in order to rank uh, at the highest possible position in Google search results. And all this process sums up and termed as search engine optimization for your website. Now, let's just see into some definitions or some terms that we normally use in the field of SEO. Okay, so first is a spider. Okay, or somebody call it a crawler. So a spider or crawler, which is a component of a search engine, gathers listings by automatically crawling the web. Okay, you may not get exactly what I just said, but let me explain again. uh, in our previous definition, we have seen that search engine, the definition of search engine, it says search engine is a computer program or a function. So the name given to that particular program or say algorithm, computer algorithm of that particular search engine, the name given to that program is spider or crawler. So it is just a name given to that computer program. Okay, so what it basically does is that it gathers listings. Okay, so basically it kind of scans and stores the text, mostly the text of your website, say text of every website. It will not take your images or videos. So it will take only your text, links, etc., and it will kind of store in the database, or they call index database. So it will automatically scan, or say they call crawling, okay, and it will take all the necessary information, mostly all the written text, and it will store in their database. Now, how this spider does is that the spider follows links to web pages, makes copies of the pages, and stores them in the search engine index. Now, we may wonder how this spider or this computer program will jump from one website to another, or from one page of your website to another page of your website? Uh, the answer is it travels through links, URLs, or the hyperlinked or hypertext that is found in your web pages. Say in the navigation bar, on the right navigation, or even in your content, there are some hyperlinks, and even in your footer there are some links. So it will, this particular spider will travel to every link present in one particular page, and it will make sure it will go to every pages, and again it will further go inside, and then it will gather and store all the necessary information in its database. Now, based on this data, that means which it has stored in its database, the search engine then indexes the page and ranks the website. So once it is stored in the database, they call it as index server, index. So it is kind of stored according to, say, according to alphabetical wise, or according to category. They will store, and whenever there's any query, search query comes, they will try to match like according to different categories, and from there they will start, how to say, picking all the relevant results, and they will, how to say, give back the result. So that is the work of this spider, the indexer. Major search engines that indexes page using spiders, they are Google, Yahoo, Bing, AOL, Lycos, etc. Okay, so this figure shows how search query works. Like when you search something in Google, this is the simple step that we can easily understand. Now, when a query comes, so that is nothing but when you search something in Google. Now, this web server, Google server, will try to find from its index servers, uh, it will try to match according to your, how to say, according to the query, according to the words. Okay, so it will try to find from index server where exactly this, how to say, this query relates to. So index, they have stored like according to category wise, say it's like the library, manual library, where they have stored books according to different subjects, different categories, and even inside category they stored according to alphabetical wise. So it is easier for a human to find in a library. It's very similar with that. Even this search engine index server, they stored according to all this category alphabetical wise, and whenever the query comes, the server will try to match exactly, and it will, this doc server will arrange all the results in the, how to say, in ranking position, which website to come up on first, which website to be on second. So this doc server will arrange in, how to say, ranking wise, and finally the result will be shown to the user. Okay, now this is just this shows the, how to say, example of Google search result. I will just open, say, Google. Now when you search something, like let me type um, laptop, say latest laptop reviews. Now when I just type anything, just for example, now let me show this. Now this blue color, okay, this is uh, this is the title of the website. Okay, in short, this is the title of this website, and this green color indicates their URL, and there is one or two line description. We will be looking into details about this. Let's see. So whatever we type here in the search box, okay, it is nothing but these are the keywords, or say a search term. or a query, and here's the result. These are the results. On the left hand side is SEO result, and on the right hand side is BBC result or Google AdWords. And if we see even on this top part, even this is ads, Google AdWords. Okay, so SEO main, uh, the main result starts from this one. Now this is they have just shown where is SEO result and where is BBC result. Now I remember say 10 years back when Google was newly launched, this total left hand side was only SEO result, which means only a natural result, and BBC occupies only this right hand side. But like as we have seen in the hit chart before, like maximum clicks were on this first, second, and third position. So Google have started placing ads on this first, second uh, positions, so that I mean these are paid. So if more people clicks on this result, of course that's how Google will earn higher. So maybe that's the reason Google have started placing ads on this first and second results. Now if we see on this Google search, see the first ads, sometimes it will be on with a little different color, not completely white, but even you can see here, you can see the icon, it is showing white this ad. So normally the first or the second result is PPC ads, and then followed by third, followed by this SEO results. Okay, so the from this slide we can see that the topmost first one or two position, and on the right hand side, this is occupied by PPC ads, and yes, the other portion is nothing but these are SEO results. Okay, now we are not going to look into details what is PPC ads and how to run and the details of it, but let's just how to say compare PPC and SEO, like which one you need to go for, which one you need to opt, because both are very similar, both are nothing but the intention of both activity is to display your website on how to say the topmost position, on the best position in Google search. Now it's up to you which one you want to choose, whether SEO or PPC. Now what we suggest is see, it may depend on your type of business, but what many will suggest you is uh, when you have a business website which sells product or services or kind of information, then of course SEO is kind of it's a must. You need to go for SEO. See, the reason is SEO is a long-term process, and once you do SEO and if you keep doing SEO, your result will remain there. Like if you obtain first, second, third position, it will remain there as long as how to say you continue doing SEO, or even maybe sometime if you kind of if you slow down your SEO work, it will still remain there for some time. So it's a it's a good process. Your result will remain there for a much longer period. Now this BBC ad, BBC is nothing but you pay to Google, like for a particular search term. Say like you have laptop selling website, and you want your website to rank first when people search purchase laptop in Mumbai. Now for this particular search term you want to rank first position in Google, say using BBC ads. Now Google will have a specific amount for a particular search term, say purchase laptop in Mumbai. So for every search term, Google has different amount you need to pay, like for every click. Now if you pay the highest amount from your competitor, then you get the first position. Now the thing is, you will get the result like immediately. On the same day, in the same hour, you can get the first position. But when your when your deal is over, which means when your money is over, then your result will disappear immediately. So BBC is temporary. So whenever you have good amount of resource, say money, then you can run BBC ads. Okay, it will run as long as the money isn't over yet. Okay, now when you compare, BBC requires much more, how to say, money to be spent. Okay, so we may suggest you keep running SEO. SEO, to get a result through SEO, it will take time. It will take months. Okay, but once you start ranking, obtaining good rankings, and it will be there for a long time. As long as you follow good technique, good SEO technique, your result will remain there for a long time. But you can opt for BBC for some specific time, like whenever, suppose if you are selling products, and if you have some, say, 1 week or 2 weeks sale season, then maybe for that particular time you can run BBC ads so that maximum people can find. Okay, so it is up to you, and it will depend on your type of business, which one you want to go for. Now we will see the details of SEO in the next video. Thanks for watching.